my name is Francis Coe. I'm the co-inventor of the Coe HEPA Jet Air, the first air blower bulb with a HEPA filter attached to it that removes 99.97% of air particulates and humidity. This bulb, as you can hear, draws in air from the filter and blasts it out the nozzle tip. Air doesn't draw in from the front because of check valves in the nozzle tip and in the fitting, making sure that air only flows in one direction through the filter. This gives you the peace of mind and confidence that you're not introducing dust or other particles into your camera chamber and onto the sensor. A conventional bulb can give you no such confidence and peace of mind because they do not have a filter. The conventional bulb has no filter and draws in air directly from the environment filled with dust and blasts that dust in high concentrations out the nozzle. And if you use a conventional bulb, you will introduce air filled with dust into your camera chamber, and dust will eventually get onto your sensor. Now let's go ahead and perform a sensor cleaning with the Coe HEPA Jet Air. If you have never done this before, it's relatively simple, but again, refer to your camera manual. I have here is a digital SLR camera, the Canon 30D, and with the 30D you simply turn on the camera, select menu, and scroll down to sensor cleaning. There we go. Hit OK, and the mirror will lock up and you can hear that. At that point you can simply remove the lens and you hold your camera relatively upside down so that dust can fall downward, and you take the jet air, making sure that you don't touch the nozzle tip onto the sensor. Simply blast air into the chamber and onto the sensor. And again, we're blasting pure dust-free air into the camera chamber and on the sensor because we have the Coe HEPA Jet Air. And you can hear how powerful that air is. That should just about do it. Simply turn it around and close the mirror. And sometimes I also like to blow the dust off the lens itself too. And we simply put the lens back on and we're done with the sensor cleaning. Now, using the air blower bulb should take care of about 90% of your sensor dust issues on the sensor. If you have a dust particle that won't come off, at that point you may want to use any of the other sensor cleaning methods such as the swabs or the wipes.